Hey guys, it's Matt Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And today I'm excited to share with you some information that might help get you off the fence to buying your first home. So what I want to discuss with you guys today is a program specific to Nebraska, which is called the Nebraska Investment Finance Authority. That's what that stands for there. And the home program specifically is called HUBA, or the Home Buyers Assistance Program. And what this program does at its core is it allows home buyers to get into their first home or a home if they haven't owned one in at least the last 3 years for as little as $1,000 out of pocket. And I know for most of you guys, when you guys are looking at signing a lease, they're asking for first and last month's rent, deposits, and those usually cost at least $1,000. So imagine if you could get into your first home for as little or less than what it costs to get into an apartment or a rental house. So let's talk about what that looks like here today. So the first thing I want to hit on here is what this program actually looks like. So what's going to happen if you decide to go this route is you're going to want to talk to a lender. Now, not all mortgage lenders carry this program, so if you have the need or want to discuss this with one, just let me know and I can help you out with that, or let your agent know. But what's going to happen here is you're going to take out a primary mortgage like you would on any given day, any type of mortgage, conventional, VA, FHA. If you're unsure of what those are, call us. We'll help you out there. And then what's going to happen is you're going to end up wrapping up your down payment and your closing costs and all those fees into a second mortgage. And what's really cool about this is the second mortgage is at a 1% interest rate, so it makes it extremely affordable. And then what your bank will end up doing is pairing those two loans together, so you only have to make one payment. So what does this mean for you? So again, you can get in relatively inexpensively into your first home. That first mortgage is going to be however you structure it, 15, 30 years, whatever that looks like. That second mortgage, that home buyer's assistance mortgage loan, is going to be for 10 years at 1%. And so that's what that looks like. My first home, when I bought that, I utilized this program and it helped save me thousands of dollars. And so I want to hit here on a couple things that are particular for this loan. So of course, I already mentioned 1% for 10 years. Secondarily, the maximum amount they will give you is 5% of the purchase price. So a $200,000 house, they'll be able to loan you $10,000. So in Nebraska and in Lincoln specifically, that will almost always cover your entire down payments and all of your closing costs. So you can legitimately get into a house for as little as that $1,000. Now, there are a few things that the mortgage lender is going to look at here. So the first thing, of course, is income. They have income restrictions or limits for this, so you have to qualify for that. And of course, your credit's going to come into play. The purchase price as well. They do have caps on how much or how expensive of a home they will allow a borrower using this program to purchase. And then finally, they're going to ask you to take a simple course on what it looks like to own a home. And there's a few NIFA approved courses to help get you there. So I know when we're talking to home buyers, a lot of people are thinking they just don't have the ability to purchase a home. And I can't tell you how many people tell me they need 20% down. And so imagine if you are one of those people today and you just found out that instead of 20%, you need $1,000 within the next 30 to 60 days in order to buy your dream home. So I'm hoping that this lands with a few people out there to really help you find a way to buy a home and start generating wealth for yourself. So if you have any questions, want more information on this, connect with one of our buyers or listing specialists. We'd be more than willing to help you and connect you with a lender that can help. Until next time, thanks guys. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.